Everyone, this is a special Daily DAV today, February 1st, and we're doing a Daily DAV with our Tel Aviv community here. Our Daily DAV guest today, Eyal Herzog from Bangor, and we're doing a meetup here in Tel Aviv. We're talking with everyone, we're answering questions, but most importantly, we're going to be having an awesome party now. So see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday, main focus was continuing to move the website further and further closer to the finish line, making some great progress. Our web developer's doing a fantastic job. Our graphic designer's doing a great job. Everyone's working really hard, so very excited to show everybody the new brand launch, which, as I've been mentioning, is going to happen early next week. Also did a good amount of work around our paid advertising, working with some paid partners there. So a lot of exciting things happening on that front as well. And also worked on a one-pager yesterday to sort of finalize that and get that across as well. Today, the main focus has been the website. Went ahead and did a lot of good work towards the website this morning, continuing to push that forward, working with our advertiser on some of the actual ads we have. I also have a lunch meeting with our freelancer as well, the person who's been behind all the great content we've been producing. So very excited to finally meet him in person. And then the afternoon is going to be continuing on some articles. Actually, one of our advisors produced an article, so going to do some work on that, get that out to the team, work on a few more things for the website, and then call it a day. So that is all from me. Have a great weekend, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Hey everyone, so today I met with a potential investor. It was a really good meeting and hopefully something will transpire there. I also worked on some press release material. It was long and complicated, but really worthwhile. And I also developed some investor relation collateral for our team out in Asia who are leveraging their networks. So it's been a long day. I'm going to sign off and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, today is sunny day and I am full energy and creativity for our new task. I made our new beautiful site and I really look like cool. Yesterday I made several changes for it, few variants section our team, new section fundraising goals, I used it for our new deal sheet also, and new roadmap. Today I plan continue work for it page. I'll make a little bit fixes and we will go further with this variant. Also, I'll make a few other tasks, several variant banners and campaign images. Have a nice day!